I think the first thought that comes to my mind is that Mufti Sahab was one of the last surviving veterans from the first generation of post-independence politicians and statesmen. So naturally, it's a big loss. Having said that, I think the biggest attribute of his personality was that he had the capacity to rise above the party lines, and regardless of the differences of ideologies, the differences of party affiliations, he could assume a vision and could also carry people along. I, for one, personally had known him since my student days, when he was a very tall leader of the Congress party and was seen to be very close to Mrs. Indira Gandhi. We were students and we had different ideology. I was also associated with a different kind of Sangathan. But having said that, let me also acknowledge that as PCCI president during the 70s, though he was in the Congress party, he played a very significant role in making or bringing the Jammu Kashmir politics closer to the mainstream politics of India. I think that was one of singular contribution made by Mr. Mufti. And as I say that he could rise above the party line, I think the best evidence of this comes from the fact that when he became the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir for the first time, he was not in coalition with us. On the contrary, he was in coalition with the Congress party, but he had the capacity and he had the confidence to come out with full praise for the then Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, which he did till his last days. And in the last few months, he very strongly believed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had started leading country on a development course. When I happened to see him at the AIIMS, he was keen that Jammu Kashmir should continue to be a beneficiary of the rapid growth and development which is being witnessed under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. And therefore, I think we had a leader who had the capacity to himself rise above party lines and also to carry people across the party lines. And that is why, even in the coalition, he had the capacity to agree to disagree on certain contentious issues and yet agree to move together and move ahead for the larger interest of the common masses and the common man.